Hey brothers and sisters from the StarkNet family, this is Nurstar speaking from Star Galaxy and welcome to the first episode of the Deep Dive series, where we'll analyze and use the several protocols that are being deployed on StarkNet. So let's dive deep on today's episode. Here we are, my friends. Today we are going to talk about MySwap, a decentralized exchange building on StarkNet. But before diving deep into the topic of today, I would like to thank the sponsor that made this video possible. I'm talking about Bravos, the first StarkNet mobile wallet that is also available for your browser. Bravos will be your self-custodial guide in the StarkNet world, through its easy-to-use functions and on-ramp options, together with its magic community-centric approach. Download the Bravos app on your browser and smartphone to enjoy the best wallet experience on StarkNet. Now it's time to have an overview of MySwap, starting from their Twitter account. MySwap is an AMM building on top of StarkNet. As AMM, we mean Automated Market Maker, which is a type of decentralized exchange where trading works thanks to liquidity pools, where people can trade against these pools and other people can supply their liquidity to these pools and earn a yield on it. MySwap has been the first AMM to be deployed on the StarkNet Mainnet. And going to the Orbiter's data dashboard, you can see some promising numbers regarding the mainnet activity taking place in it. Seeing that MySwap is already on the StarkNet Mainnet, I thought it would be nice to have a brief tutorial on it. First of all, we go to the website. Then we'll have to understand the mainnet disclaimer, the disclaimer about the StarkNet Mainnet. In fact, we need to proceed with some caution as the StarkNet Mainnet is still in an alpha experimental version. Then we'll have to connect our StarkNet wallet, in our case a Bravos wallet. And then we go to the swap section here. We can try a swapping example, choosing some of our ETH and converting like an equivalent of $5 into DAI. Okay. And then we click on swap and we sign the transaction. The swap has been successfully completed and now we can try dealing with the pools. We can add some Ethereum and some DAI. We supply ETH and DAI with $5 of DAI and its equivalent on Ethereum. Then we click on add liquidity and we sign the transaction. We have now added some liquidity to the MySwap AMM and you can see your share of the pool and you can also monitor your position, where you can either withdraw your whole position or add some liquidity on it. I would also like to show you the charts dashboard, where you can monitor all the activities and the volume, the total value locked, all these metrics regarding the MySwap AMM. You can see the prices of the tokens so far supported by MySwap and so on. So guys, this deep dive on MySwap is coming to an end. I strongly suggest you to follow MySwap on its socials in order to be up to date with their future developments. Having said that, I thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks once again and see you on the next video. Bye!